You reached the Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
You left a message on my machine,
And what was the message concerning about?
something about taxes.
Alright, so when did you receive that message?
I don't know. What's this about?
Alright, please hold the line for a moment. Let me go ahead and check your information.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your patience. Hello?
I'm here.
Well, I'm looking for Mr. James Linier.
What?
I'm looking for Mr. James Lindner.
Okay.
Am I speaking to the right person?
Yes.
And is your mailing address 146 South Penny Road, Galway, New Jersey 0825205. Is that correct?
Yes.
Alright, so here we call you to ascertain your attorney information as there are some legal allegations and a lawsuit has been filed against you by the Internal Revenue Service. Are you aware about the situation?
A lawsuit? What do you mean? What lawsuit? What's this for?
Here, the Internal Revenue Service did a random audit on your taxes that you've been filing for the past 5 years, that is from 2012 to 2016, and found out that there was a multiple miscalculations error on your taxes. The taxes that you've been filing for the past 5 years, that is from 2012 to 2016, you did not pay the full amount you were supposed to pay to the Internal Revenue Service. For that reason, the local authorities along with arrest warrants will be coming to your place. Your driving license will be cancelled, your bank account, your properties, and everything which come under your name will be seized. And you will also face a federal imprisonment up to 5 years. There is an outstanding balance under your name that is $9,862,
You out of your mind?
which include all your pending taxes, your legal charges, documentation charges, attorney charges, and your late fees. Here, what I want to know from you is, have you done this intentionally to defraud the Internal Revenue Service, or was known as mistakes?
I can't answer that. You haven't told me what I did. What are these mistakes I made?
Well, Mr. James, I'm so sorry to say that if you're asking me what are the miscalculations here that you have made, I cannot give you the information because this is not only for a single year, this is for the combine of 5 years. It is from 2012 to 2016. And here I'm from the information department and this is the information which I can give you.
Dazzling display of logic.
So for the past years of 2012 to 2016, how exactly are you filing your taxes? Do you go through HR block, accountant, CPA to your taxes, or do you file your taxes by yourself?
You didn't answer my question. Uh, where were these mistakes made?
Well, as I have told you, I'm from the information department and this is the only information which I can give you right at this point of time. But if you want further explanations regarding this call and this case, I can transfer your call to the head resolution department who is handling your case and who have the rights and authority to decide on your case. So you can have a word with them if you want to know further explanations regarding this call.
What is your name?
My first name is Caroline, my last name is Wright, and my federal badge ID number it is 1279.
So you started out asking me about attorney information. Why was that?
I'm sorry?
You asked me about my attorney. Why?
Here, what I'm telling to you is, for the year of 2012 to 2016, you did not pay the full amount you are supposed to pay to the Internal Revenue Service, right?
Okay, you already said that.
And so here, for the year of 2012 to 2016, how exactly do you go through file your taxes?
file them the way I'm supposed to. What does that question mean?
I'm sorry?
What does that question mean?
What I'm asking you is, do you file your taxes by yourself or some professional file your taxes for the year of 2012 to 2016?
I do them myself.
Alright, and so here, as I see through your files, this is not the first time the Internal Revenue Service is trying to get in touch with you. We have sent you 2 certified letters. However, there is no positive response to these letters. What happened to these letters that we sent to you? Why don't you respond it back?
When were those letters sent?
Well, the first letter was dispatched to you on 18 April 2018, and the second was on 15th July 2018.
So you have copies of those letters right in front of you?
I'm sorry?
You have copies of those letters?
Well, these letters, these copies letters and the files, all these have been dispatched to the courthouse,
What courthouse?
federal courthouse of Washington, D.C.
What's their address?
It's 1111 Constitution Avenue.
That's the court address?
Yes.
That's the, so that's where I have to go to court?
Well, the choice is yours. If you have a criminal attorney or a lawyer, well, you can go and file this case inside the courthouse.
Can I just go to my IRS office and get more information?
Yes, you can also do that, but rather you first go to your sheriff department, because I will be faxing down directly your information to your sheriff department, and they will be waiting to arrest you on the charges.
So I can't go to my IRS office and fix this?
Yes, you have to go to your sheriff department.
Why do I have to go there first?
Well, once you reach the sheriff department, they will give you all the information.
So the sheriff knows all about my taxes, but you don't?
Right now, as soon as you disconnect this line, I will be faxing down the information to your sheriff department.
And which sheriff is that? What's their address? Too much, huh?